Hey friends, I'm gonna show y'all a little hack if your hair dries like mine. This is one day after wash, so I normally just like put it up in a towel and then I'll take it out and I'll let it air dry after like 10 to 20 minutes. A lot of the bottoms have like some curls and waves in it, so I don't have to do a lot on the bottoms honestly, and I just want it to look like decent, like presentable. Um, if y'all know me and have been following me, you know that I literally don't give a shit about what my hair looks like almost at any event or anything I'm doing. I don't really love putting heat in my hair, but sometimes I'm like, okay, I want it to just look better than this, and my natural waves are just not staying the way that I want them to, so this is that. Since we're only gonna do kind of like the first layer of hair, I'm gonna just take this heat protectant spray and spray it almost like hairspray on the top. Because we're not going to apply a lot of heat, because I want it to kind of naturally look like my lower curls too. I don't want it to look like I did my hair up top or in some areas and I didn't in others. We're going to use a wand for this. I'm going to use the lowest heat setting on this, so it gives me less of that tight curl like we just talked about. And there's no particular rhyme or reason to how I do this. I just take the strand that looks not like the rest, and then I'll just keep finding those and curling them. So it's like obviously a little wavier than it was before. So like this, see how it's forming no curl? And then it's just kind of like sitting with the rest of the hair now. The fronts, I spend a little less time with the curler just because I want the front to sit a little more natural than the rest, so that's honestly fine. And then I'll do a little bit of the inside. Like the rest of the hair looks pretty okay. I'm just gonna do this part. And then in the back, because you can't really see the back, so sometimes it'll be looking crazy. I have a few hairs like this that are kind of straight. So I'll take like a layer of that, do 2 sections. Then it's like super loose curls. There's some uniformness going on the left side now, so, and I didn't have to do like my whole head. Just obviously, like if you looked inside my hair and looked at the state of these curls, you'd probably be like, yeah, that looks crazy, but like from a distance, it's presentable. So, okay, now we're gonna do this side. I would have probably done the other side off camera if it was like a full hair tutorial, but because I want y'all to see how fast this technique is, I want to just do both sides. Okay, so again, like kind of using the same technique as that side, just the hairs that I see like not forming a full wave or curl, those are the ones I'm going for. Do this whole section, just move that away, do this inside section. Sometimes my OCD kicks in and then I end up just doing too many strands because I'm like, oh no, they all need to look the same, but don't get too carried away. Like, always look at yourself from a distance and be like, okay, if you look good from a distance, then you're good. I'm gonna do the front section. Go against the barrel this way instead of your hair being on the inside. It's against this way. So bangs, I don't use a lot of heat, so I will do a quick little curl there. The front of my hair is flatter than usual today, so it's kind of pissing me off, but it's fine. Okay, so this is basically the finished product. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect. As long as it looks presentable from a distance, that's really all you need. To take care of the frizzies, I have my hair oil, so I'm going to use a couple drops of that. On it through the curls a little bit. I want it to look looser eventually throughout the day. So yeah, if you're lazy like me and your hair dries like mine, definitely try that out.